Today we're doing part two of the Lego Weasleys Wizard Wheezes shop set. This comes with 7 different minifigs, plus that dude who spews in a bucket. There are some really fun things about this set and this shop in general. The shop is actually located at 93 Diagon Alley, and it sells a variety of products like pygmy puffs and love potions, and you can see some of them in here as well. There are 3 different sections to the shop in the movie and the book, although you don't really see that in this set. I really liked all the windows in the set, but it takes forever to put them all together. So that is one thing that you kind of have to think about when you do it. However, it comes together with the owl post and is just adorable. I really love the brightness of the colors of the set and how it all came together in the end.